Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the most popular science myths and uncovering the truth behind them. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of science, where we'll separate fact from fiction using experiments, evidence, and a healthy dose of curiosity. From the food we eat to the sky above us, misconceptions abound. But fear not, science is here to light the way. We've all been there, right? You drop a delicious cookie on the floor, but in a flash you snatch it up, invoking the legendary 5-second rule. But does this rule hold any water, or is it a recipe for a mouthful of germs? The truth is, the 5-second rule is a load of baloney. Bacteria can contaminate food the instant it touches the ground, regardless of how fast you are. Surface type, food texture, and the amount of bacteria present all play a role. Think of bacteria like tiny ninjas, always ready to strike. They don't wait around for 5 seconds to pounce on your fallen treat. So, next time you're tempted to employ the 5-second rule, remember those microbial ninjas and maybe opt for a fresh cookie instead. Trust me, your stomach will thank you. Have you ever heard that humans only use 10% of their brains? This pervasive myth has been circulating for ages, even inspiring movies and TV shows. But let's use our entire brain power to debunk this one, shall we? The truth is, we use our entire brain. Brain imaging techniques like fMRI scans clearly show that we use all parts of our brains, even when performing simple tasks. Think of your brain as a powerful computer. Every region has a specific function, from controlling your movements to processing emotions to storing memories. If we only used 10% of our brains, we'd be like computers running on a fraction of their processing power. Pretty inefficient, right? So rest assured you're using your whole brain even if it doesn't feel like it sometimes. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. We've all heard this saying, but is it true? Well, like many myths, it's based on a misunderstanding of how lightning works. The truth is, lightning can absolutely strike the same place twice, and it often does. Lightning follows the path of least resistance to the ground, and tall, conductive structures like skyscrapers and trees can become prime targets. Imagine a basketball hoop. If you keep throwing the ball at the hoop, chances are you'll hit the same spot multiple times, right? Lightning behaves similarly. It's attracted to certain locations, and there's no rule saying it can't strike them more than once. In fact, the Empire State Building gets struck by lightning about 25 times per year. Ah, goldfish. Those shimmering, finned companions often relegated to small bowls and saddled with the reputation of having a 3-second memory. But can these aquatic creatures really forget an experience in a mere blink? The answer is a resounding no. Goldfish actually have a much better memory than we give them credit for. Studies have shown that they can remember things for months, not seconds. One experiment even trained goldfish to associate a certain sound with feeding time. After months of not hearing the sound, the fish still remembered and swam to the surface expecting food. So, next time you see a goldfish, remember that there's more to them than meets the eye or fin. Stop cracking your knuckles. You'll get arthritis. How many times have you heard that warning? It's a common belief that cracking your knuckles leads to joint problems, but is there any truth to it? The good news is that cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. That popping sound you hear is actually caused by gas bubbles collapsing in the synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. While cracking your knuckles won't give you arthritis, it's not entirely harmless. Habitual knuckle cracking can potentially weaken grip strength and lead to joint instability over time. So, while the occasional crack is nothing to worry about, it's probably best not to make it a habit. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more myth-busting content. Remember, science is all about curiosity, exploration, and never taking anything for granted. Until next time, keep asking questions and stay curious.